Would you check out the view that's behind me? How would you like that to be your view when you're living at your brand new condo in the Paramount in Melbourne, Florida? Right across the way, you'll see Melbourne Beach and in the Atlantic. It's absolutely stunning. You have the Melbourne Causeway Bridge to your right. We see gorgeous, gorgeous dolphins and manatees swimming by here on a regular basis. And all this can be yours today because we are now listed active in the MLS. This corner unit is number 204. We are on a corner. You have the gorgeous extra views. You get an extra part of the wraparound porch that you only get when you are a corner unit. On to the left is the pool and the clubhouse. Absolutely stunning. You can even take a walk over the Melbourne Causeway after dinner at night if you want some exercise. I've done that many a times and it's really a lot of fun. And it's also a screamer for your thighs. All right, let's go on in and I'm gonna show you this gorgeous, gorgeous condo. So it's a little bizarre world today. We're going backwards due to the beautiful views from this condo. So this condo is, as I said, a corner unit. That means you get a bigger kitchen with an actual dining room built in to the kitchen. Beautiful views. That is hurricane impact glass on the sliders and the windows. And then the seller went ahead and did 3M film to help the utility bills, so you're not getting, you know, beat inside with the sun. But if that's not enough, she did these upgraded zebra blinds throughout, and they're very beautiful and also very pricey. Okay, so any lighting that you see and fans were all upgraded by the seller, including this stunning floor, which was an over $20,000 upgrade, and they were literally just finished over the weekend. In fact, they're still putting some of the baseboards back and tweaking a few things. The walls were professionally painted, agreeable gray, Sherwin Williams, just recently, so the whole place, you don't have the contractor grade white walls in the house. And now we're gonna walk on into the master bedroom. The master is absolutely stunning, has gorgeous, gorgeous views out to the water, both through the window and through the door. Laying in bed, you can literally look here and watch what's going on over the Melbourne Causeway, the water, boats going by. It's very soothing and relaxing. And the condo has 9-foot high ceilings. So if you do not want low ceilings, this is definitely your condo. There are 2 walk-in closets on either side as we walk to the bathroom. And we're going to show you the nice doors that we're walking through, which is very pretty. I'm glad they put doors up. And the shower is bigger in this condo than the interior condo. So you get a bigger shower, gorgeous, gorgeous tile throughout, and then you have the soaking tub and the water closet. Really very pretty. I love the cabinets in the master match the kitchen, as well as the quartz countertops are in the master bathroom and the kitchen, which was an upgraded feature. So let's go on and go check out this gourmet kitchen. This kitchen is, like I said, bigger than the interior units. This one came with quartz countertops throughout in the kitchen, the master bath. We have a nice deep stainless steel sink, wine refrigerator, stainless steel appliances, just absolutely beautiful. And you'll see over there by the window, you have your dining room area. Although if you have a bigger table, you could put it where she has part of the sofa, but she wanted more legroom in her living room. You have extra cabinets, so the tall cabinets are all extra because your interior units would stop at that spot. And you have extra privacy from the roof, so while you're sitting at your table, you don't really have to put your blinds down if you don't want your neighbor across the way to see you. It's a very nice little shield coming in to your kitchen. So that was a bonus for her. And as I said, all the lighting is upgraded from the seller. Just put a lot of money into the place. Downstairs, you would have parking space number 13, and she put an $18,000 cage at our parking spot, so you can also store your beach chairs and coolers and whatever else you surfboards, if you want to store anything like that downstairs. And now we're going to go take a look at the laundry room off the kitchen. The laundry room is very spacious. You have a little closet space along with your hot water heaters here in the doors. You have a nice big deep sink with granite. She put in extra cabinets, and you have the washer and dryer that do come with the unit. And just pointing out the floors again, she really picked out beautiful flooring for this condo. Something you would see more like South Florida condos. If you go to the left, we're going to go over here and check out this bathroom here. This bathroom will go to the bedroom behind it, and also for your guests when they're here. So you have granite countertops, white cabinets, comfort high toilet, beautiful Lastello in the shower, very nice tile throughout. So we're going to go back to the bedroom behind us in a minute. We're going to come over across the hall and go to bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 has upgraded lighting. There's those gorgeous zebra blinds that she put up for privacy. You have nice space, a walk-in closet, and a stunning bathroom. This bathroom also has the granite countertops, white cabinets, beautiful shower, comfort high toilet. It's very, very pretty. It's a stunning condo. And now we're going to head over to bedroom number 3 that would share the hallway bathroom. And here's bedroom number 3, currently used as a sitting room, little office and workout room, also with a walk-in closet. Just absolutely stunning. And then we're in our foyer. So let me point out some things in the foyer. The foyer is big, but it's not wasted space. It's very nice, gorgeous cutout ceiling, beautiful light fixture, more of the zebra privacy blinds, and out the door you go. And what's nice is on the second floor, you're not far from the stairs, so if you want some step exercise, you can do that, or you're just a few more feet away from the elevator. But you're far enough away where you won't hear the elevator coming up and down, which is also an added bonus. So let me show you how nice and elongated this foyer is. Yeah, we're going to give you a view coming back down the hallway just so you can see. It is a big unit. And so this is what I got to tell you. We're already active. We're starting to have showings. I don't want you to miss the chance of getting your clients in a brand new condo that someone else has already worked out all the kinks and have put all the upgrades in, so they literally drop their bags and move in ready. This is Karina Danager coming to you live from EXP in Melbourne, Florida. Have a great day.